Hello guys, it's your girl Nurse B, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now before we start, you already know, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that button. Subscribe to my channel. And let's begin. So today's video, I'm going to give you guys 8 helpful and useful tips to help you survive. New grad orientation. These tips will not only help you succeed, but also boost your confidence as you tackle on this new role. You are officially a nurse. Yes, honey, pat yourself on the back. You did that. Yes, you did. You did. That's all you. That's you. Let's begin. Woo! I'm going to give you guys 8 useful tips to help you succeed and complete new grad orientation. On top, like, you know, you want to be that new nurse that people are like, oh, is that Ashley? Oh, is that Melissa? Oh, is that... You want to be, is that Becky? Yes, you want them to know your name, and not for the negative reason. You want them to know your name because they were like, oh, this girl is going to be a good nurse because she was on her game during orientation. My first tip is arrive on time. This is a given. Everyone should know this by now. You need to arrive on time. If your shift starts at 7, arrive at least 15 minutes early. Arriving on time also is a sign of respect because it just shows your coworkers, hey, this girl's reliable, this person's reliable, I can rely on them to like relieve me and not be scared that I'm gonna get stuck because they might do a no show, no call. Don't do that. No bueno, don't do it. 2, attitude. Your attitude, honestly, and your mindset, it really sets up your day. If you wake up, and I always tell people, wake up positive, wake up like, you know what, yesterday sucked, but today's gonna be a brand new day. And believe me when I tell you this, whatever you put out in the universe, 9 times out of 10 is what you get back. And I always tell people, don't put that negative energy out there. Keep it positive, keep it light. This is a new experience. What's there to be upset about? You're learning. Be positive. Be positive. Number 3, have an open mind. Have an open mind meaning that take in what your preceptor is teaching you. Take in, like, if they say, hey, go home, do your research on so-and-so topic, and we'll discuss it tomorrow. Don't take it as, oh my god, you know, I'm doing bad. No, take it as like, they're giving me additional tools and resources. She's helping me strengthen my critical thinking skills so I can be the best nurse that I can be. That's how I would take it. That's me. But honestly, have an open mind. Literally have an open mind. Like, if you don't know something, ask your preceptor. Just be open. Be open to anything, whether it is any positive feedback or negative feedback. It's okay. You're learning. You don't know everything. You're learning. 4. My number 4. Respect. I think like this is something that we should all do, but like respect your preceptors, respect your co-workers. That's what I said about coming out on time. Be respectful. Be respectful, especially to older nurses that have been doing this for a very long time. They know what they're talking about. They've been nurses for years. You just started, boo. So be respectful, and honestly, do not take things personal. I don't think your preceptor wants you to drown. So make sure you're respectful and make sure you're able to understand that any feedback, whether it is good or negative, is good feedback. You want and you need feedback. And also with respect, respect is not just your preceptors. You need to respect everybody that you work with, from your co-workers to even, and when I say co-workers, I mean the CNAs, I mean secretaries, I mean other doctors, I mean any healthcare worker under the umbrella that you will be working with. You need to show them respect, because at the end of the day, we are all on the same team. And trust me, when you respect them, you will get so much done. I know, respect. Number 5. I should put this as number 1, but put the cell phone away. Put it away. I don't understand it. Put your phone away. You are new to the unit. Put it away. It doesn't matter if your preceptor or other nurses have their phones out. You are new. You cannot be doing what other nurses who have been there forever. Don't do what they do. Okay? Some of their bad habits, don't do it. Don't. You are still in that 90-day probation period. So meaning, hun, they will cut you. You will get. Don't do it. Put that cell phone away. Facebook, Instagram, all the tea that is online, it could wait for you until your shift is over. So put that phone away, honey. Don't do it. Put it away. Don't let that nurse manager catch you with the phone on the floor. Don't be that new nurse with that. Don't do it. That's all I can say. Don't do it. Don't do it. Number 6. Ask questions. It's so easy to go into, go in here thinking like, oh, my ATI book and my, they taught me all these things. I know, nothing, boo. Nothing. Ask questions. And I always tell people the only dumb question is a question that was not asked. There's no such things as dumb question. Ask your question. No matter how silly you might think it might be, honestly, your preceptor wants you to ask questions. This is what they're waiting for. They want to see that, like, you are interested in learning. You are interested in, like, furthering this orientation process and not just, like, following them around. So, yes, ask questions, honey. Write them down and ask them. You'll thank me later for that. Number 7. It is be hands-on. What I mean about be hands-on is if your preceptor says, hey, there is another nurse is going to another nurse is doing something else, you should go see that. Yes, you should say, oh my God, yes, I want to see it. So be hands-on. Or if a CNA comes to you and they're about to do something with a client that they'll be like, hey, I'm about to do this with this patient, you should come and help me. Or yes, be hands-on. Just because you're orienting doesn't mean that you just stick to your preceptor and you do not use other nurses and other, like, co-workers on the unit to your advantage. No, everyone there is there to precept you. Everyone there is there to teach you, so take advantage of that. That's all I can say. Take advantage of that, honey. Take that advantage, because once you are on your own, trust me, everyone has their own workload. You have your own workload. It's not gonna, no one's gonna be holding your hand where you guys are not gonna be skipping down the hall together. So take advantage and be hands-on and be proactive. If they say, let's go do this, yes, be 10 steps ahead of them and be ready to learn. Lastly, but not least, be a team player. Be respectful. Be mindful of not just your patients, not just your preceptors. Be mindful of everyone that you come into contact with. Being a nurse means that you are basically interacting with everyone, from doctors to case managers to CNAs to patients, their families, secretaries. everyone. Be a team player. Be the advocate that your patient deserves you to be, you know? So the only way to be a good advocate on your patient's behalf is to be a team player. We are all on the same team. We all want the same outcome. So yes, utilize everyone and every resource that is at your disposal. That's it. If you follow these 8 steps and 8 tips, I'm telling you, you are gonna be that nurse that everyone's gonna be one day to be like, ah, did you see this girl? She gave me a run for my money because she is it. Be that it nurse, you know? Don't be like those nurses out there like, she be on her phone. She rolls up here 15, 20. Don't do that, boo. Don't do it, because especially when you didn't go through that 90-day probation, you will get cut. Don't do it. Until next time, it's your girl Nurse B. Don't forget to hit that like, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, you know what, and give me a thumbs down if you didn't like the video. It's cool. Just give me something. Comment down below. Let me know what other tips you would give to any new grad. Until next time, it's your girl Nurse B. Bye.